2020 was surely an interesting year due to COVID.
Governor David Ige. His title today, 15 Days to Slow Down the Spread of COVID-19.
We went through some shutdowns, lack of toilet paper, and even had a close call with Hurricane Douglas. However, this year made me appreciate everything, which is still being in good health, still having a job, and still being able to communicate with my family and friends. I was even able to get a new car this year and still enjoy my hobbies, which was to golf and hike. For the most part, I was still able to get out and enjoy the views. Here's a highlight reel of some of the adventures I've been on during 2020. Let's hope for a better year.